Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Today is day 23 of 24 coffees and learning Canva. Hope you've enjoyed it. We've got one more day to go after this one, and then I've got a couple of videos coming out between Christmas and New Year. Let's dive into Canva and have a look. Today I want to talk about how you can make money in 2022 with Canva. Now, you might be using it for yourself as a bit of a hobby, but there's lots of ways that you can actually make money with Canva. Now, I don't do all of these options myself. Some of them I am going to be investigating a little bit further in the new year, but these are the options that I want to discuss with you today. So let's have a look at option one, and that is selling templates. So there's other websites out there as well that do this one. One of the most popular options is Etsy. Now, there's a lot of templates available for sale on Etsy. What I recommend is just having a look through, finding something where you can create a different kind of aesthetic template. These are all, to me, they all look very samey. I don't know whether that's just me, but they do all look very samey. So maybe you want to offer templates for sale that are YouTube thumbnails, therefore real estate. Kind of target a little bit more specific a business and have a look and feel of different templates that you kind of want to do. Now, when it comes to creating templates on Canva, yes, there's a lot of templates available on Canva. However, you can't just copy and resell those templates on Canva. That's copyrighted and you can't do it. Don't do it. If I see you doing it, I don't even want you here. Honest, I don't. Copying other people's work is just not on. Create your own templates and sell them. You're going to get more appreciation for that in the long run. So do have a look, spend some time creating templates. There's a lot of work that goes into creating templates. So yeah, have a look, sell them on Etsy, create yourself a store and see how it goes. The next option I've got for you is to create your own website. I personally sell templates on my site. I have a few free templates. These are my Canva Pro templates that I sell, but I also sell templates. You can come along to my shop, and I'm going to be adding more and more templates on here during the year. I've only got Facebook templates on there at the moment. There you go. But I'm going to be adding more and more templates on here and different services and things like that. I use Squarespace. I'll put a link down below for you to try Squarespace. This video is not sponsored by them. I find it really easy to create websites using Squarespace. I've used WordPress in the past and other template creation website options, but for me, Squarespace is one of the easier options to use, especially when you want to start selling your own templates and things like that online. Okay, option 3 that I have for you is to create some sort of kind of like online course. If you're really good at explaining Canva, then you can create your own course. I've got one on Udemy around YouTube and that side of things. I'm working on a different course that I'm going to be launching later on in 2022 on either Udemy or maybe even Skillshare. Haven't decided yet. I'm also going to be developing a members only area on my website using the Squarespace option for memberships. So if that's something you're into, do come over to my website, sign up for the free templates here. Just give me your name, your email address. I'll let you know when I do launch new products, offers, and new templates are launched and things like that. That's normally when I send emails out for you. The other option you've got is that you can actually sell services through your own website. So you can see here, you can hire me by the hour for either that, or you can order 10 custom templates or individual templates. It's a really great way that you can make money on Canva. You can just set it up on your own website. The other option you have is that you can promote your services through services like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can offer, to make designs for people using Canva. Now, there's all sorts of different gigs that people do offer on Fiverr. Just to, typing in the word Canva gives, nearly 9,000 different services available. So there are, a lot of people doing this. Niche down, find something that works for you, create some outstanding graphics. Like these ones, they really kind of like stand out, make it pop from the image. don't look too samey. When I was looking at the Canva templates here on Etsy, they all look beige, peach, pink. Nothing really stands out. Just looking here on Fiverr, these ones, the purple ones, for me, they really stand out. And also purple's this year's colour of the year. Check out my video on this year's colour of the year. I'll put a link up here for you. So you can offer services on either your own website or places like Fiverr, or I think there's another one called Upwork. I've not seen or used Upwork myself, but I do believe that that's another option available. You could start a YouTube channel. Now, I've been doing YouTube myself for about 18 months now, doing different tutorials and things like that. And I get probably a couple of £100 a month from YouTube. You know, I don't really get that much money from YouTube when it comes to creating content on there at the moment. I'm hoping that that's going to grow throughout 2022 because I'm really excited to be sharing more and more updates of Canva as the year progresses and connecting with you guys a little bit more on social media and things like that. Let me know down in the comments if there's any way that I can help you. There's one more way that you can potentially use and earn money using Canva in 2022, and that is to become a Canva creator, either creating templates for Canva or creating elements or submitting photographs and things like that. But you can become a creator on Canva. You just come to canva.com/creators and you can click on the become a creator and sign up to try and become a creator. Okay, so not only can you become a contributor of templates, you can also sell images and video on here as well. And you can just join and become a part of the global marketplace that Canva are creating, or as part of Canva creators. Just click on the link, become a creator, choose your language, and then this is going to take you through a form that's going to be a part of a waiting list. I'm a Canva creator myself. It's a great way to connect deeper with Canva and create some content on Canva directly. Really excited. I hope you found these ideas really useful. If you're creating content using Canva, let me know down in the comments how you're creating content, and maybe I'll include that on a future update. Maybe we can collaborate together. If you've got a way or an idea of how you'd like to collaborate together, I'd be really interested in that. I'd like to involve more people on this channel during 2022, inviting you on to kind of give your design tips. Kind of maybe if we can like do a one-to-one and kind of record that, that's a really great idea. I kind of like that idea. Just throwing out ideas here. If you've got any ideas of how you'd like to work together in 2022 or beyond, let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, thank you very much. Bye for now. I'm losing my voice.